What's up guys, see you again in my new video, speed test, new flagship phone Samsung vs old flagship phone Apple, Galaxy S25 Ultra vs iPhone 8. Okay, you can see design comparison on both phones, which design you love, big phone and small phone. Okay, subscribe my channel to get more videos. Next step, I will turn on both phones and test with some apps. Okay, now I start turn on both devices. 1, 2, 3. Which one faster, Galaxy S25 Ultra vs iPhone 8? You can see Samsung logo and Apple logo. Android system vs iOS system. Okay, look very fast on both phones. And then I start unlock on both devices. Which one faster? 1, 2, 3. Okay, look faster on the iPhone 8. Now I open clock 1, 2, 3. Very fast on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Next step we have camera app 1, 2, 3. Look very fast on both phones. Okay, video record 1, 2, 3. Faster on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, calendar 1, 2, 3. Okay, next step I click on phone 1, 2, 3. Very fast on both phones. Next step I click on calculator 1, 2, 3. Okay, finally I will turn off both phones. Galaxy S25 Ultra vs iPhone 8. One, two, three. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Drop comment down below. See you guys in the next video. Peace.